Imagine living in the US for years, working hard, raising your family, and one mistake like a drunk driving conviction could get you deported. That's exactly what a new bill passed by the US House of Representatives is designed to do. Let's break it down. The US House of Representatives passed a bill called the Protect Our Communities Act of 2025. It passed with 246 votes in favor and 160 against. All Republicans voted for it and 37 Democrats joined them. The White House has expressed support. The bill is also known as H.R. 875, sponsored by Rep. Barrymore from Alabama. The bill makes any DUI or DWI conviction, whether felony or misdemeanor, a reason for a non-citizen to be deported or denied entry. That means undocumented immigrants, visa holders, and even green card holders would be affected. Even the DUI happened years ago, it could still lead to removal. The process would be fast, with limited appeal or discretion from judges. In short, one DUI equals deportation risk. Supporters of the bill point to real tragedies where Americans were killed by drunk drivers who were immigrants. The bill is named after Jeremy and Angel Say and Sergeant Brandon Mendoza, all victims of DUI crashes involving non-citizens. Proponents argue DUI is dangerous and deadly. In 2021, more than 13,000 people died in alcohol-related crashes in the US. If someone risks lives by driving drunk, they should lose the right to stay in the country. Right now, a DUI by itself does not always cause deportation. It only triggers removal if it links to serious crimes like aggravated felonies or if someone causes death or injury. Judges usually have discretion. They can consider context, family ties, rehabilitation, and more. If H.R. 875 becomes law, any DUI at all equals grounds for deportation or inadmissibility. No discretion. Judges would not be able to weigh individual circumstances. No bond. Immigrants could be detained and removed quickly. Who could be affected? This law doesn't just target undocumented immigrants, it also impacts green card holders who have lived in the US for decades, international students and workers with visas, people who may have had a single DUI in the past but have been law-abiding since. Examples: a green card holder with US citizen children could be deported after one DUI. A student who admits to drunk driving, even without conviction, could lose their visa. Someone with a 10-year-old DUI would still be removed if they apply for citizenship or renew their status. Argument for the bill supporters say, public safety first. Drunk driving kills thousands every year. Zero tolerance. Non-citizens should follow the law strictly if they want to stay. Deterrence. Harsh consequences will discourage immigrants from drinking and driving. Fairness to victims. Families who lost loved ones deserve stricter laws. Argument against the bill. Critics argue too harsh. A single mistake, even decades old, could destroy families. No due process. Immigrants won't get fair hearing or appeals. Discriminatory impact could disproportionately affect immigrant group already over-policed. Retroactive punishment. People who already served their penalty could be punished again. Ignores rehabilitation. Doesn't account for recovery, treatment, or people turning their lives around. Civil rights group. Immigration lawyers and some lawmakers say it may violate constitutional protections. What is next? The bill now moves to the Senate. If the Senate passes it, President Trump is expected to sign it into law. If signed, the Department of Homeland Security and ICE will create enforcement rules. Possible outcome: retroactive cases. Immigrants with old DUIs may face deportation. New arrest: any immigrant charged with DUI could lose their status. Courts: civil rights groups will likely challenge the law in federal courts. Let's look at the bigger picture. The bill fits into the larger immigration crackdown in 2025. Earlier, the Really Act expanded deportation power. The One Big Beautiful Bill gives ICE more funding and authority. These laws show a trend: stricter rule, less discretion, faster removals. But there is also pushback. Some Latino Republicans and immigrant-friendly lawmakers warn that laws like this could break up families, hurt local economies, damage trust in law enforcement. This DUI deportation bill is one of the toughest immigration measures we've seen in years. Supporters believe it will save lives. Opponents say it's unfair, unconstitutional, and could tear family apart. The Senate will decide the next step, and if it becomes law, thousands of immigrants could be at risk. So what do you think? Is this bill about protecting public safety, or is it about punishing immigrants too harshly? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.